Now we offer Invoice Payment Plans. This is our newest update, and this feature allows you to split invoices into multiple payments, enabling flexible payment terms and improved cash flow for your business. As far as benefits go, this is going to provide flexible payment options because now you can customize those invoices with upfront deposits, fixed amounts, or percentage based payments. It's going to improve your cash flow management because now you can schedule those payments from your customers at different times based on their needs. You can also do easy payment tracking because now you can track payments right within the invoice. As far as practical use goes, now you can offer your clients the option to pay for services in installments, such as a 50% upfront deposit and the remaining balance split into two equal payments over the next 2 months. Let me show you exactly where this is located. First, you're going to want to be under payments, and then you want to go under invoices, and you create either a new invoice or you go ahead and edit one. Now you'll see the add payment schedule available within your invoice. Go ahead and set up that payment schedule. You can set percentage, payment due date, you can add a payment, and you can also add that schedule. So once you're done, make sure you click Add Schedule, and it's going to set everything down. Now you can go ahead and view the added payment terms that you just created. You can also see the payment status. Where are those payments within the schedule? What has been paid and what is still owing? What's great is your users can also choose to schedule when they pay. This is really great because if they really want, they can go ahead and tick all boxes and get this invoice cleared up immediately. They're simply going to schedule and then they're going to click pay. This feature enhances your invoicing flexibility, making it easier for customers to manage payments while ensuring timely cash flow for your business. We hope you enjoy this new feature. Let us know if you need any help at all.